What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. As y'all can see, we in the fucking sticks. We are in the fucking sticks right now. I decided to pick up the camera because I've been driving for like 2-3 hours. So, fuck it, why not get y'all POV? I might throw this in one of them videos I got already made. Oh shit. Oh, we already in sport mode, but I'm gonna just throw this up so y'all can see that. My alignment terrible. That shit crooked as hell. He got the car pulling a certain type of way. A little half throttle pull. I need to change my other damn motor mount. That shit just knocking around and shit. Good little rover at the top speed shit. And we got 360 on as always, you feel me? I hope y'all can even hear me while the fucking wind blowing around and shit. Check the tip of that damn supercharger real quick. 113, oh, we good. Damn. Real fast shit, bro. See, I wish I had this damn a damn flame tool right now, because I know that shit sound crazy off the woods and shit. That baby. Poof! Went off. Pow! Poof! Pow! Stupid ass. That's not going in there. Yeah. Usually, like, I be thinking I be low as fuck, but since I got the phone right here, that shit be loud. And in some videos I be yelling, and that shit be like, ah. Alright, we only got 25 fucking miles. We gotta get gas, y'all. We gotta get gas. We got some window up shit, just in case that audio fucked up. I'm gonna give y'all some inside shit. Damn, what's all that in the road? Oh. And they don't know what the fuck they doing up there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they just almost wrecked, and they're the only two people up here. The fuck are they doing? He gonna fucking tint it out in Impala. What the hell is he doing? Look like an undie. Thank you, Mr. Man. He done pulled over out the way. There's really some fast shit coming through. They know to move out the way, some fast shit coming through. How y'all be holding y'all steering wheel? How y'all driving your cars? Y'all be like this? Or y'all be down here with it? Usually I be down here with the elbow tucked in the corner, punching that shit. I never really go two hands though. I'm just like this, the cross joint. And I don't be using this shit right here either. Cause like I said, my alignment fucked up, so there's no reason for me to go off of this shit. And it got hot as fuck quick. I gotta run the windows down. Shit!